If you want to learn how social media changed my life, this is a video you're going to want to see. You've probably seen all these kids on social media driving fancy cars, going on fancy trips, and living a rockstar life. And you might be wondering, how? One word: marketing. You see, this is not new. Marketing has been around for hundreds of years. First it was print, and then newspaper, then it was radio, and then television. Those who got in early made a killing. But the good news is, it's not too late, because the next marketing opportunity is here. We've all heard about Mark Zuckerberg and how he started Facebook in 2004. Then a few years later in 2012, they purchased Instagram and pioneered social media as we know it. After that, new platforms started to pop up, Snapchat and TikTok just to name a few. It created a revolution in how humans do business. I've been in the social media space for years, and I've generated over $20 million in revenue for businesses using those exact platforms. My content and commercials have gotten over 100 million views, and believe it or not, I may have even worked with some of your favorite celebrities. Recently, I've been getting a lot of attention because my videos have been going viral. 2 million views, 3 million views, 5 million views, 6 million views. The list goes on. Now, did I have to do something crazy like give away a Tesla or fight Floyd Mayweather? No. As a matter of fact, most of my videos went viral without spending a penny. You might be wondering, what if I'm an introvert? Or what if I'm not good on camera? I have good news for you. You don't even have to be in front of a camera. There's a huge opportunity to manage social media for other people and businesses. In 2020, nearly 100,000 businesses failed in the US alone, but the ones with good social media exploded. It doesn't take a genius to tell you that social media is changing millions of lives. In fact, just a couple months ago, one of my very first students, Luciano, was able to close a $53,000 deal. And he's not alone. Another one of my students, Earl, sent in screenshots of how he made over $20,000. One of my mentors told me, Rene, if you want fruit, the best time to plant a tree was 5 years ago, but the second best time to plant a tree is today. None of us can go back in time and predict the social media revolution, but for those of us that act today, we still have time to take advantage of this opportunity. That's why I wanted to prepare this video for you, to show you how you can start today. Me and my team prepared a program, and don't worry, it's not thousands of dollars like these courses you see online. In fact, it's actually less expensive than a single college textbook. It goes into detail about how I was able to create my dream life using social media. It shares the exact same strategies that I've used to help some of my biggest clients and myself make money. And don't worry, you don't have to be a computer whiz to do this. If you ask anyone that knows me, they'll be the first one to tell you that I am terrible with computers. I want to share with you a link below that'll take you over to the next step. It takes less than 2 minutes to sign up, and you'll have full access to the entire step-by-step program. You'll learn everything to go from a beginner in marketing to a full-blown expert. Starting with the fundamentals of business and mindset, I'll take you through marketing basics and how to get your commercials on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. But there's more. I don't just want you to know how to set things up. I want you to succeed. That's why I've included sections on how to monetize your marketing skills and the human psychology behind marketing. Now, disclaimer before we continue. Human psychology is extremely powerful, so by making this investment, you're agreeing not to use anything you learn in this training to harm other people. That being said, over the past few decades, scientists and psychologists have learned a lot about the little switches in the human brain that affect how human beings make decisions. If you flip enough of these switches, the average person will almost always make the decision you want. I want to share a lot more with you that I can't say in this video, so if you've been looking for something that could potentially change your life, click that link below. Let me share the thing with you that changed my life and took me from a college dropout living with my mom to making millions on social media. It doesn't cost any money to start. You don't need to look at complicated graphs or charts. All it takes is a little hard work and creativity. In the past, the only way to advertise a product was through print, radio, or TV. Now, all you need is access to the internet. I believe that this is an opportunity that you don't want to miss out on. Like I said, get in now before it becomes impossible for regular people like me and you to market on social media. It's only a matter of time before big companies start catching on. I got in a little early and it changed my life, but there's still a narrow window for anyone looking to make money on social media. Click the link below and get started. Let me teach you how you can create your own social media business. Matter of fact, I'm so confident that this information will change your life that if you don't find value within 30 days, I'll refund your money, plain and simple, no questions asked. So click the link, time's ticking. I'll see you on the other side.